Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P10 Lite and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but basically this operation is similar in other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to basically recreate those steps. So let's open the browser, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, if in your case this list is really long, then it will be more efficient to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data option at the top. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, auto-fill from data, and site settings, and also media licenses. So basically, if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. What's more, at the top we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks, or even all time. So it's basically up to you. Just tap on the option you'd like to use, for example, all time. Then let's tap on clear data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.